If you want to activate eSIM on Xiaomi 17, we need to go to Settings. Next, you want to proceed to Mobile Networks. And then in here, we should be able to find Turn on eSIM option. So we're going to turn it on. We're just going to tap on the switcher and then confirm that you want to turn it on. Of course, as a result, SIM number 2 is going to be deactivated. So if you have a physical SIM card or you have 2 of them, then the SIM number 2 is going to be disabled to make space for eSIM. Now afterwards, we want to tap on Add eSIM option, and now we just have to scan the QR code. You can also enter the activation code instead, or you can open the gallery in case you have a screenshot or a picture of your QR code. Afterwards, we need to confirm that we want to add the eSIM on our phone. And then once it is added successfully, once your eSIM is added, we can tap on Got It. Over here, you might want to double check if your eSIM is enabled. If not, then tap on this arrow on the right side and turn it on in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.